In this video, I'm going to show you on how to create a gold text effect in Photoshop. First of all is just to create a working space. Mine I'll choose 1920 by 1080 pixels. Next I will click on the background color and go to insert the gradient and adjust the settings as follows. Next I'll go to the text tool and insert my text. I'll use impact font. With the selected text layer at the layer panel, I'll go to blending options and I will insert color overlay. Next I'll go to bevel and emboss and I will adjust the settings as follows. After that, I will go to drop shadow and I'll adjust the settings as follows. Then when I'm finished, I'll click on OK. If you found this video so useful, don't forget to give it a like, share and hit the subscription button for more videos. Thank you.